believe
We believe
that corruption has been one of the major obstacles
one of the major obstacles
to economic, political, and social progress of our country. We believe that all stakeholders, such as government, citizens, and private sector, need to work together to eradicate corruption. We acknowledge our responsibility to lead by example and the need to put in place safeguards, integrity, frameworks, and code of ethics to ensure that we are not part of any corrupt practice, and we tackle instances of corruption with utmost strictness. We realize that as an organization, we need to lead from the front in eradicating corruption and in maintaining highest standards of integrity, transparency, and good governance in all aspects of our operations. We therefore pledge that we shall promote ethical business practices and foster a culture of honesty and integrity. We shall not offer or accept bribes. We commit to good corporate governance based on transparency, accountability, and fairness. We shall adhere to relevant laws, rules, and compliance mechanisms in the conduct of business. We shall adopt a code of ethics for all our employees. We shall sensitize our employees of laws, regulations, etc. relevant to their work for honest discharge of their duties. We shall provide grievance redressal and whistleblower mechanism for reporting grievances and fraudulent activities. We shall protect the rights and interests of stakeholders and the society at large.